Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 22nd April 2025. The Mumbai bankruptcy court dismissed an insolvency petition against Dentsu Communication India due to a lack of evidence supporting the operational debt. The NCLT raised concerns about potential fraudulent transactions involving former employees and third-party vendors. Rohit Plastopack's application, alleging a default of Rs 5.42 crore, was rejected as they failed to prove the delivery of goods. Toshiba Transmission will invest Rs 562 crore to expand its manufacturing in Telangana, generating over 250 jobs in 3 years. The agreement with the Telangana government aims to boost local employment and skills. This investment scales up transformer production for domestic use and exports, aligning with Make in India and strengthening Toshiba's presence as a global T&D hub. Real estate leads AIF investments with a 15% share, totaling Rs 73,903 crore out of Rs 5,06,196 crore. AIFs have emerged as vital for real estate financing, addressing funding gaps and offering high reward opportunities. The sector has witnessed substantial growth, with the number of AIFs increasing 36-fold in the last decade, driven mainly by Category 2 AIFs. In a significant relief to charitable and religious institutions, the Income Tax Department has now enabled the filing of condonation requests through Form 10AB on the e-filing portal. The amendment empowers the Principal Commissioner or Commissioner of Income Tax to condone the delay in furnishing Form 10A for registration or approval under Section 12A, provided there is reasonable cause. This move aims to benefit trusts and institutions that miss the prescribed timelines for filing Form 10A and were at risk of losing their tax-exempt status. In a significant clarification aimed at fostering ease of doing business, the Income Tax Department reiterated that DPIIT recognized startups are eligible for multiple tax exemptions, and investments made in such companies are not subject to scrutiny, provided certain conditions are fulfilled. Responding to a tweet on social media platform X, the department confirmed that startups recognized by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, or DPIIT, and those that filed the necessary Form 2 declaration are entitled to the benefits under the Income Tax Act 1961. Private equity and venture capital investments in India totaled $3.7 billion across 284 deals in the first quarter of calendar year 2025, marking a 14% decline in deal value and a 20% decline in deal volume from the same period last year. The slowdown comes amid growing investor caution, driven by macroeconomic headwinds yet to play out in the private markets. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.